This is the quick all you need to know review of this true HEPA and carbon filter 2-pack. I have a Dyson Humidify and Cool formaldehyde, and not long ago I had to replace the filters. So I wanted to come on here and make a quick review for those people that are about to replace their filters. First, I was a little worried to buy a filter that wasn't Dyson's own, but I quickly realized that this is just as good in my opinion. No matter if you're technical or not, it's super easy to remove the filter. This is what they look like, and they collect dust and dirt when you're purifying your air. The replacement took about 2 minutes, so it was really easy to do. You just press on this button, then you remove the old filter and replace it with the new one. The filters are placed one in the front and one in the back. Therefore, I recommend you to get this 2-pack, since you need to replace both at the same time. To me, high quality air is super important, and that's why I made sure to choose a high quality filter replacement too. I haven't noticed any difference between the Dyson filter that I had from the beginning and this one. It is a true HEPA filter, and therefore you can buy this with confidence. After replacing the filters, you just press the front in place with a click, and it's actually just as simple as that. After replacing the filters, don't forget to reset the filter life. This is easily done by pressing and holding a button. All the instructions are in the Dyson app. Great filter that I can highly recommend.